I, Dillon Kreitzer, am excited to take you as my wife and my best friend and my forever home wherever we go.
Dillon, the day is finally here.
Yeah, finally.
I've waited 8 years to be able to finally say I do to you. We've grown up together, and now we get to grow old together.
Yes. After our first kiss at the drive-in, I told everyone on the drive home that I was going to marry you.
I vow to try to be your calm after every storm. I vow to always be the moon in your universe, to be your light as we both embody the essence of our union. And I pinky promise I'm never going to let you question those vows.
Am I allowed to kiss the bride now?
Yes.
Feeling good.